Sakuntalata? అత్త మాయి ప్రభా మాయి ఉన్నారా మీరు?
ఏదో స్టాప్ అయిపోయింది.
ఐ థింక్ చంటి మాయి.
ఫియర్ అన్నది న్యాచురల్ అనే గౌతమ్ అన్నాడు. అది యాటిట్యూడ్ ఈస్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ డిపెండ్స్ అపాన్ అవర్ యాటిట్యూడ్. యాటిట్యూడ్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఆస్పెక్ట్. మన లైఫ్లో ఏదైనా సరే యాటిట్యూడ్ బట్టి మార్చుకోవచ్చు. రెండోది ఏంటంటే ఫియర్ అన్నది సచ్ ఎ వాస్ట్ సబ్జెక్ట్. ఇంకా నేను యాక్చువల్గా ఒక 2-3 బుక్స్ కూడా నాకు దొరికిన అంతకుముందు చదివినవి. ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు రైట్ వన్ దిస్ థింగ్, వన్ రైటప్ అబౌట్ ది ఫియర్. చాలా వాస్ట్ సబ్జెక్ట్, ఇంకా ఎన్నో ఉంటాయి దీనికి. ఎంత వాస్ట్ సబ్జెక్ట్. ఈ ఫియర్ మీద అన్నంత ఇది ఇంకా దేని మీద ఉండదేమో అనిపిస్తుంది. బట్ వన్ థింగ్, fear mainly depends on psychological aspects and physiological. And I'm going to send a write-up in our Skype, our Skype meeting thing. And that will be more interesting also, more realistic. And most important is our subconscious mind plays a great role in all our emotions. That's how we can control the subconscious mind, how we can control these negative emotions. That I am going to write in detail. It is a vast subject, but I'll be sending an article. I'm compiling. So fear is not so ఇంపాసిబుల్ ఏం కాదు. మనం ఫియర్స్ ఏంటంటే మెయిన్ యాటిట్యూడ్ ఈజ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఆస్పెక్ట్ ఇన్ అవర్ లైఫ్. యాటిట్యూడ్ బట్టి మనం ఏదైనా చేసుకోవచ్చు. మన యాటిట్యూడ్ బట్టి మనం వీ బికమ్ వాట్ వీ థింక్ అబౌట్ అవర్ సెల్స్ అండ్ అకార్డింగ్ టు అవర్ యాటిట్యూడ్స్. సపోజ్ ఒక పరీక్ష పోతే some students, some boys, some children, they feel so bad and extreme thinking anamata. Extreme thinking. Elaga, how can I face my parents, my peers and the other society? And they feel it's impossible to face, and they resort to extreme step. Whereas some people, they take it very easy. What is there? I can appear next time. So our attitude is very very important. And I'll be sending an article on this in detail. Jai Baba.
Nice, Mike.
I think, Chanti, you brought up a very important point. How to face the world. కొంతమందికి సర్టన్ ఛాలెంజెస్ అమ్మో బయట వాళ్ళు ఏమంటారు అన్నా కూడా అమ్మో ఆ ఉద్దేశంతో అన్నారు. సో వి థింక్ దట్ వే. సమ్ పీపుల్ యూ ఆర్ సచ్ అన్ ఈడియట్ అని తిట్టేసినా కూడా ఈవెన్ ఇఫ్ దే ఎలర్ట్ యూ, దే హ్యావ్ ద ఎబిలిటీ టు ఫేస్ దట్ అపోజిషన్. So that is what, that is what we need to
do. Everything. Most important is attitude.
That is being sensitive. Being sensitive affects us only, kada? Being bandatananga, I mean, to be rough and tough, to face any comments. Okay, I don't care. And whatever you spill on me, I'm not going to take it.
That is what is called attitude.
Attitude. That is what we need to develop.
సార్ సబ్ కాన్షియస్ మైండ్ లో కూడా డీప్ గా కొన్ని భయాలు డీప్ గా దే గెట్ డీప్లీ రూటెడ్. దాన్ని ఏం చేయాలంటే మనం ఇచ్చేయచ్చు కూడా, దాన్ని వీ కెన్ గెట్ ఇట్ ఫ్రీడ్ ఆ సబ్ కాన్షియస్ మైండ్ నుంచి. అది నేను రాస్తాను, ఐ విల్ బి సెండింగ్ ఎ షార్ట్లీ, ఒక 2-3 days లో నేను పంపిస్తాను. ఇట్ విల్ బి ఎ వెరీ యూస్ఫుల్ ఆర్టికల్ ఆన్ ఫియర్.
అలాగే.
Besides what we have already discussed. Okay, Jay Baba.
కాదు, ఇంకోటి I want to tell this.
One minute. Sakuntlata Prabhakar mai join ayyara?
కాదు, some problem with this one.
Oh, audio. Yeah, let's. వచ్చారు మళ్ళీ. I think they signed it again.
అదే చెప్పాడు మధ్యాహ్నం ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇవాళ సెట్ చేస్తాను.
ఓకే. ఉన్నారా
ఈరోజు గౌతమ్? నువ్వు టాక్ లింటా కూర్చున్నావు వెబినార్ లో?
వచ్చారు పొద్దున్న.
ఓకే, ఐ థింక్ లేకపోతే అమ్మా యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు సే సంథింగ్ మా చెప్పమ్మా. 30 seconds.
Something I wanted to do.
Okay, while you think of that, I'll just make one comment and Pavan, I'll hand over to you.
Pavan, if I remember, I'll tell you.
Alage. Just a couple of things. Actually, my couple of thoughts in talk bound. Very nice. I really liked Gautam, Manatta and Chantimai's comments, because I think it made it well-rounded, the whole talk. And it's a vast topic, kada. So when you get into the other aspects of attitude, human nature, the fear not being a bad thing, actually, but anxiety being, I think all that made the topic more well-rounded in terms of coverage. I just thought of a quote here. One is, it says, face your fears, don't escape your fears. So I think the key is fear will be there. You got to face it, instead of seeking to escape it. And I think all the different techniques, including your question of does Baba help you facing your fears? I think it helps, but it is in a whole toolbox, I believe, of facing your fear rather than escaping it. That's all. Nothing else to add.
Yeah, correct. Right.
Face your fears, and correct. Fear is not something to be escaped or something.
Yeah.
But it is as simple. It is more simple than it is to put it in practice. సింపుల్ గా ఫియర్స్ ఉండకూడదంటే అది కాదు. అది కొన్ని యాటిట్యూడ్స్ మనం మార్చుకొని మన సబ్ కాన్షియస్ మైండ్ లో కూడా దాన్ని ఇచ్చేయాలి. మనం హ్యావ్ టు కన్విన్స్ ఇట్. ఆ డీప్ రూటెడ్ ఫియర్స్ అన్ని సబ్ కాన్షియస్ మైండ్ లోనే ఉంటాయి. అది నేను ఐ విల్ బి రైటింగ్ షార్ట్లీ.
పవన్.
Jai Baba Mai, it was a very good talk, very clear and very simple, very easy to understand. I wanted to just add one small layer to it. First of all, in fact, everybody's points that people mentioned, nothing wrong with anybody's points or not. Everybody's points had their own perspective. But I think we should also, I'm just going to add a different, one additional flavor to this is what is our relationship with fear. Okay. This is an important point as well. Because I remember several years ago, I was watching a TED Talk, on YouTube. And that was about different topic. It was about stress. But that lady said that research has been done that it is not about people having stress or not having stress. The people who are managing stress well are the people who have a good relationship with the concept of stress in their lives. The moment I am more embracing of stress as something which is human and natural, then you give yourself the space and an opportunity to deal with it. Usually, most people, at the very beginning, the moment you face that stress, you're saying, "Arey, something wrong, something disastrous, and that leads to a whole set of consequences." So, taking that same concept and bringing it back to the topic of fear, is it is about, I think we should also try to understand our relationship with fear. And I think the first things first is when we are, I completely agree, or rather partially agree with what Gautam was saying, that, and even Chantimai was saying, is fear is not a wrong thing. We are all humans. We are going to have fear. Our trigger points for fears are different for different people, but fear is common, right? Everybody faces it. And I want to share with you an example in the most recent past. So you know, all of you are, I'm working in a technology company, Citrix, and it's been a tough journey in this company, lots of challenges. And through this journey, we are going through a stage where potentially this year was going to be a very successful year for my full region and for my full business. Okay. And just on Christmas, Christmas Eve, okay, on Thursday, Friday, Christmas, Thursday, a very big transaction that was meant to happen is at 4 o'clock Singapore time. Okay. I'm hearing from my team members, it's not going to happen on Monday. Okay. And it's 4 o'clock. People are already shut shop and they're going back home. Nothing much we can do on that Thursday evening. Christmas Eve, everybody's finishing their day early to go back home and spend time with family. And this one is going to really change the tone of the full year. All the effort for the full year that we put is going to change the full flavor. Okay. And I had a tremendous level of fear. It was a terrible Christmas Eve. This Christmas Eve, I'm talking about 2 days ago or 3 days ago. And so my first response to that situation was, okay, right now I'm scared. I'm scared about what is going to happen. All kinds of thoughts came to my mind. Okay, I have to speak to my boss, which I have to do tomorrow, by the way. I'm going to lead it to a point where I'm right now. Okay, just dealing with this example. People will laugh at me. My relationship with success and failure, those questions started coming into my mind. This is now I'm into Christmas Day, Friday. We are having life goes on. Family has its own demands. We are going for breakfast. Life is going on Monday. Kani, my mind is preoccupied with this whole thing. What I did was consciously is just said, I am right now scared and I'm going to go through this fear for some time. Okay, I don't need to do anything right now. Anyways, I'm not going to do anything. I need to first embrace this fear, because if I have to start thinking of what to do, how to manage it, first I need to embrace this emotion. Okay, I need to be able to say, I am scared and it's okay to be scared. Okay, till I reach that stage, because if I succumb to that, if I don't embrace that fear, it will quickly transition to anxiety. And then once you get into anxiety, it becomes uncontrollable. Okay, then you start then you don't work rationally, all these kind of things. So Friday went through. Friday evening, there was a Christmas party in my brother-in-law's place. We had a great time. Saturday, once I accepted everything, a clarity type clarity in terms of what needs to be done. Okay. So that translated to today, where we sent out some emails. We are trying to rectify the situation. 95% that disaster is going to happen. It's going to happen. Okay. 5% chance is there, which I'm focusing on, because that's what I can focus on. Because 95%, no point focusing on that, because it's not going to help me. And we are focusing on the 5% chance of trying to recover this situation. And right now, as I sit in this call, I'm still a little scared, but tomorrow I have to deal with a very difficult conversation with my boss. I have to do what I have to do. He's not going to be happy. I have to deal with it, and I have to go ahead and do what I have to do. Why I gave this example is, Chantimai spoke about attitude. I think a layer before that attitude, between our relationship with fear, which is first we have to accept the fact that I'm scared. It is human to be scared. There's nothing wrong to be scared. And then to have an attitude between these two things, right, is our ability to go through the experience, not trying to cut short that experience of fear, go through the experience, and then you start thinking of what action items do I need to take, what needs to be done. And sometimes you don't get success. Like in this case, I don't think we'll be able to get success, but at least I'm very clear in my head what I need to do, whatever is the right thing to do. So again, sorry to make it a little longer than I should have, but just to kind of think, I think it is also equally important for us to understand clarity, not just cause and effect, why I'm scared. These are all important, Kani. We need to fundamentally say that it is okay to be scared. It is okay. Because as I gave the example last week about the stage fright and going, even now I get scared, but it doesn't stop me from going on stage and giving that speech, because I'm accepting the fact that I'm scared, but I'm also accepting the fact that I have to do what I have to do, which means going in front of those 100 people and talking is what I have to do. So you go and do it. All right. Sometimes you succeed, sometimes you fail. Jai Baba, that's my few points about fear. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba. Jai Baba. Very nice. Good.
Yeah, comment
Well
on
said,
that.
Bye, Pavan.
Kiran, can I comment on that?
Yes, Mike. Chip Mike. Yeah, go ahead.
Kiran, I'm sorry, Pavan, as long as we sit and give talk about fear, it's okay, it's one part, because when nothing is happening, our learning is much more, we can absorb a lot of theoretical stuff. But in actuality, you have to come across situation, fearful situation. You have to be in the soccer field, start playing the soccer, then only how am I going to use all the theory of what I learned before? So you are in that situation. You are facing a task that one of the product is fear, but there are a lot of other things too. I want the result. That's one thing. Your attachment to the smooth flow is another thing. I don't want to have any problems. I wanted to have things to go smoothly as I had thought. There's another thing. Attached to the result is another thing. These are all the things that are playing a role here, along with you're experiencing fear because of all the other things. So it's you don't have to give importance to the fear here. I think we have to address the other things, attachment and looking for the result, and I don't want this to happen. I like this, I don't like this, all the other things. This is the situation, perfect situation for you to experience all those things and how to work on those details. Jai Baba.
Kiran, can I come, Kiran?
Completely
Kiran?
agree.
Yeah, Pawan, you want to add anything or respond to
You
that?
want to respond to
Okay,
that, Pavan?
Amma, 1 minute, yeah, and then Amma, you come after that. Pawan?
Correct. So I completely agree with you, Mai, on the points you mentioned. So first, my point is just to first accept ourselves of the fear. And I am going to be scared at times, right? We are all going to be scared. Okay, that's one. Second point, only point I want to make is getting into attachment. Yes, I am attached. I am attached to my success in this company, in my role, etc. That's the reason why that fear is there. If I'm not attached, if I'm very detached, then my fear will be very less. Okay, I can say that. Kani, attachment to turn it into detachment, I cannot. It's overnight. It's very difficult for me. Very challenging also. I can't immediately get detached. Kani, what I can do is what is in my control, which is to get a clarity of what is the right thing to do at this point. The right thing to do at this point is, number one, what are the actions I can take to rectify this? Whether it will get or not, I don't know, but I can put my best effort. Number two is, I'm shivering to, for example, kada ippudu na boss velli matladi cheppali, communicate cheyali. I have to communicate to stakeholders kada about something like this. I have to do it. Tomorrow is Monday. The weekend is over. the office is starting tomorrow. In Velli, I have to communicate this, whether I am scared or not, whatever be the case, I have to do it. So what I have my control is what I can do. But attachment to detachment, I know academically, but to get detached is very difficult at this stage. Is my only point. But I agree with your points, Mike. That's my.
But as long as you think it is very difficult, it's going to be difficult. Tomorrow, what I want you to do is, don't get attached. Tell yourself, I'm not attached. Tell your boss what actually happened. And these are the things I could have worked before, but that was an experience. Maybe next time I'll be careful. But other things also, what caused this to happen? I mean, you have to think about all these things and communicate properly with your boss.
Yeah. Good, good. Amma,
Ah.
you want to add something, Amma?
Yeah. Kadu, we are nicely sitting in the drawing rooms and talking, okay, theoretically. When the actual situation comes, it is true. Okay, we have to take care of how. One Baba was incident, I want to tell you. He was giving darshan to there in New York. Okay, during that time, Baba's Dali, like she brought her friend. She said, let me go and find out whether I can bring you inside. Any Dalian came and asked Baba, my friend has come, can I bring her? He said, all right, you bring her. Then she went reluctantly, she came inside. What, this Baba, like that. She sat in front of Baba, she had darshan. Then started weeping. Then Baba told everything. You wanted to commit suicide? You have to face difficult. This is the life. And he gave one Baba one speech on that. Okay, remember my name and go ahead. You will be all right. Have patience. Patience, endurance levels are the divine qualities. Okay. Then he said, "You are human beings. You have these natural emotions. Why are you feeling guilty for that?" And whatever he said very clearly, what happened in her life, and she was going to commit suicide. This Dalian went to her house, brought her to Baba. And that time Baba said, this is, you have the natural emotions. So you will, whatever feelings you are feeling natural. Then remember my name. Everything all right. Have patience, have endurance, all that he told. So in this context, I am remembering Baba's message. I told it. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba, Jai Baba. Good, ma. Okay, my anybody else? Did I miss anybody else?
Prabhakar
Prabhakar Mai? Yeah, sorry. Prabhakar Mai, can you me audio వస్తుందా? Okay. I think రావట్లేదు. Oh, వస్తుందా?
He's coming and
Wait,
going.
he's trying.
All right, if everybody's finished, I posed a question.
Yeah.
When we are experiencing fear, we call out Baba. Does he help or not?
Help.
Let
But
others
you
speak.
have patience.
Gita, let other people speak,
నన్ను
Gita.
అడుగుతున్నారా నన్ను అడుగుతున్నారా
చెప్పు గౌతమ్, what is your
రెండు
opinion?
సెంటెన్స్లు చెప్పరా నువ్వు గౌతమ్, రెండు సెంటెన్స్లే, రెండు కన్నా ఎక్కువ కాదు.
ఏం లేదు
Can you
కాదురా
put that slide, my?
ఎప్పుడు
What are the slides? Can you put that
ఇటు
slide on part?
ఆంపిట్లు కథలు చెప్తావు, ఇక్కడ కథలు ఎప్పుడైనా అక్కడ చెప్తావా లేదా?
Mike, can you put up the slide? Can you put up that slide? Pavan is asking, can you put up that slide?
Okay,
Pavan,
sure.
Kiran, you didn't ask Sidhu.
అడిగాను మా చదువు భార్గవి and Sidhu.
నాడీస్ గురించి చెప్పాను కదా అత్త.
నాడి.
Okay.
ఏంటత్తా నేను చెప్పింది అట్లాగే మర్చిపోతున్నారు.
Everybody respond in
నాకు అందుకే
in
fear, మీరు
very
గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటారా లేదా అని అందుకే చెప్పను.
Okay.
in
So the question ఏంటంటే, when we are experiencing fear, we call out Baba. Does he help or not? I had a very interesting experience long, about 20 years ago. What happened was, I came and joined the job in Peoria, and I was going to work for 4 days, and then there's a long weekend. I was going to go back and bring Bagi Maya and Atta back home. And I started out in the afternoon in Minneapolis, and then drove straight to Peoria. I just brought a bag, was a bean bag, whatever. And then I was so tired after driving for 9 hours. So I came to the apartment. Well, we took an apartment. I lied down and I went into very deep sleep. Suddenly, somebody was waking me up. And I woke up And this is all happening in my mind. Some ghost figure was waking me. And I sat down. I started sweating. And I was expecting to be in Minneapolis in my house in my bed with kids and all. And suddenly I'm in a new place. It took like a few seconds to realize, oh, I drove to Peoria. I'm in this new apartment. No lights, nothing except the kitchen, bathroom light. I went and turned it on. And I started chanting Baba's name. That's the only thing I could think of. Baba, 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 loudly. And it was around 2:30, 2 o'clock, something like that. And then I could feel Baba came with a chair. He came and sat down in the chair. He was telling me, don't worry now. I am here. Go back to sleep. And then that incident totally wiped out all my scare that some ghost was there trying to scare me. All that thoughts were completely wiped out. And believe me, I slept like a log till the morning 6:30. So yes, Baba helps, but he also he helps, but we have to understand in what situations does he help. Anytime you call Baba, he comes and helps. But how he helps, that is something we have to understand. And appears to be not helping because he has given you all the tools what we have. How are we going to use the tools? He doesn't want you to be dumb and not be able to use any of your tools. He wants you to use your tools and evolve. That is how we evolve. With that, I will leave all of you guys to talk about. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
Right. Jai Baba.
Any short opinions on this question? Views?
ఇప్పుడు వర్రీ అన్నది ఇట్ ఇస్ ఆల్ 90%. It's all only not real. That's what Baba says. It all depends upon the misunderstanding or not able to understand the issue. We should not get fearful for everything, but you can be concerned. That is different. Concern and also fear. For everything we need not fear. We can suppose if there is any issue, we can get concerned. For everything we need not get worried or fearful. Second thing, fear is sometimes a defensive mechanism. Suppose from a cliff you want to jump into a waterfall, then you have to fear. You just can't go. And also ఈ బంగీ జంప్ అంటారు చూసారు, మీకు అందరూ తెలిసే ఉంటుంది బంగీ జంప్. ఫ్రమ్ ఏ గ్రేట్ హైట్, ఫ్రమ్ ఏ cliff, they get tied with a big rope and they jump. And that also needs lot of courage. Not all people can do it. And also even one experiences this what is that big wheel? What do you call?
Giant wheel.
Giant wheel. I am very much afraid of giant wheel. Many people very courageously they just enjoy. But for some people, when we are coming down, such a great force, we naturally get frightened. One thing Baba says, our fears are only imaginary. Most of the fears, 90% are imaginary. Only 10% are real. Thank you. Jai Baba.
Can I put it add a word?
Bye.
Can I add a word?
Yeah, Prasanna.
Ah.
Yeah, go ahead, Prasanna.
After hearing all of you just talk to me, it's fear and worry, as Baba said, they're just an indication or it's an emotional attachments. One lacks that willingness to let go their materialistic things. And one is desireful to meet their desires, fulfill their desires. So when that is not met, you naturally tend to become fear or worry, and it's just an expression of a irritated ego. So that's what Baba always say, and he says it is just one's imagination when one goes to the stress of these desires. I mean, this worldly materialistic work. As Pawan was saying about his office, because his ego is expecting something to happen, and he's worried. He wants a outcome out of it which he wants. But if he leaves it, he has put in his efforts, and if he leaves it to Baba and thinks, okay, let Baba take care of it, and whatever the outcome may be, I'm going to face it. Then maybe we can overcome certain things like that with overcome our fear or worries and all this, as Baba has said. And even my last thing, what Mai had said, as put in his experience as a ghost and all that, it is just an imagination of his ego or fear. And because he felt or got an answer, so he could sleep like a log. It's all your mindset, what appears, and how you deal with this, your worry or fear when things confront. And certainly, as Baba said, love helps. And remember Baba, or remember whoever you are, will give you the right energy and things to face all these worldly situations. Jai Baba.
Prasanna, 1 minute. Prasanna,
Jai
you
Baba.
doctors, no?
I'm
Jai
done.
Baba.
I'm done now.
You
I'm done.
doctors, just can I?
Yes,
Talk?
ma'am.
Yeah, sure.
Ravi, you wanted to say something? Want to say, Ravi?
Chipama, go ahead. Finish.
No, I
Finish,
don't.
yeah.
But the doctors are there, okay? Every patient, different treatments you give. There is no one treatment for all the patients, right? So everybody's problem, no, according to their samskaras, again I'm bringing samskaras, they will face them, and God will give guidance according to their samskaric connections, karmic connections. And right time, definitely will get the help from God. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
So, Ragma, any question? అందరూ ఆన్సర్ చేయలేదు.
Ask them.
So anybody want to answer Ravimai's question?
I will go for it.
అన్న నువ్వు చెప్పరా
Gautam, చెప్పరా.
Each one అడుగు రవి, ఒక్కొక్కరిని అడుగు.
Yeah, చెప్పు Gautam.
ఇంకంతా ఇంకా బిలీఫ్ కరణ్.
Yeah.
ఇంకా if you think Baba is going to help you, నీ బిలీఫ్ బట్టి you will look out for sources. Okay, బాబా గారు ఇలా హెల్ప్ చేశారు అని చెప్పుకోవడానికి బాగుంటుంది. సో ఒకవేళ నీకు బిలీఫ్ లేదు, then if you do higher authority, then probably you'll start facing your own fears, and that will be a better achievement, in fact, instead of relying on any others.
Okay.
Hey, Papa, Prabhakar is trying very
Gautam's
hard.
answer is no, Anmata. Gautam, sorry, I just want to clarify.
I think this is answer. No debates now. Kada? Right?
But
Yeah.
Gautam, without faith, dealing with any issue is a lot more challenging with a feeling of faith that, yes, Baba is with me. He is going to help me. That
Faith
feeling will certainly helps me to go further than the other way.
అవును కానీ డైలీ లైఫ్ లో వి టెండ్ టు పుట్ మోర్ ఓనస్ ఆన్ దిస్ ఫియర్ ఆన్ దిస్ ఫెయిత్ ఫియర్ కాదు ఫెయిత్
ఫెయిత్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇది కదా. ఫెయిత్ వల్ల ఏంటంటే
ఫెయిత్ ఇస్
మౌంటైన్స్.
ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ అనేది ఇట్ విల్ టెండ్ టు ప్రూన్ ఇట్ ఆఫ్.
We won't get into that debate now. If you, I'll just cut short the debate now. Any other opinions?
Yeah, it's not the faith that we are talking about.
Papa,
But we are talking about
Ravi, tired అయిపోయావా రవి?
Kadama. Kadu. Tired Kadu. I think Ravi is
tired
saying this topic is not faith right now. Topic is clear. So let's not go into faith now. But I think Gautam has answered clearly. Anybody else? Any other opinions?
గౌతమ్కి ఆన్సర్ ఒకటి ఉంది చిన్నది.
Kadama.
Does not go into faith. Does not go into faith, Gita. Does not yield to ఈ గౌతమ్ గారు అందరిని లాగి వదిలిపెట్టాడు.
గౌతమ్కి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలని ఉంది.
తర్వాత చెప్తే. But the question is different thing.
వాడికి ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ ది ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ దానికి చెప్తున్నా.
Okay, Pawan, go ahead.
Question again. Sorry, please flash the question.
When you are in a fearful situation, you call out Baba. Does he help or not?
100%. The question is, but the question is, what do we ask of Baba? That is my very strong view or conviction, I would say. If I'm asking Baba already to telling him this is the outcome I want, then we don't know whether it's yes or no, the answer to that question. But if the question to Baba is, right now I'm going through this, give me the ability to leverage, like Ravi Mai, you mentioned the tools that we are given. Give me the ability to leverage and use the tools that you have given me, Baba. Okay? Then Baba comes to my help. So the answer to me is yes, it's a partnership. There is a saying, God helps those who help themselves, right? That's another way of saying that it does not mean that we don't put our effort and put our what we have to do. But when we call earnestly to Baba, when I have called earnestly to Baba, one way or the other, sometimes the outcome is not in favor of what I want it to be, but I can see him hand in hand with us. So my view is, the answer is yes. Jai Baba.
Good one.
I think 10 అవుతుంది కదా.
Pavan, evening, no, 1 minute. He discussed with me about this. Pavan, Baba will give you right time inner guidance. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba. Jai Baba.
Sare Papa, Ravi, you are becoming weak, Ravi.
Kadama, you're muted. You're muted, Ravi.
Okay, before we close, say the final prayer. Who is talking next week? Bye.
Bye, Papa. Connection రావట్లే.
బాయ్కి కంప్యూటర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. బాయ్ కంప్యూటర్ బాగవుతే బాయ్ మాట్లాడతాడు, లేకపోతే who is waiting to be తనుజ, ప్రవీణ్.
List కదా for early January or mid January.
తనుజ్కి నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ షిఫ్టింగ్ ఉందంట.
ఇవాళ టుడే
ఈ వారం అంతా షిఫ్టింగ్ ఉందంట.
సిద్ధిగాడు సెకండ్ పార్ట్ కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి రవి.
2-3 days కంటిన్యూ అవుతుంది గీత. అది మెయిన్ ఇదేంటి, బట్ ఇంకా వేరే ఉన్నాయి.
Yeah, let's leave her.
Shifting.
Let's not bother తను పాపం చాలా రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ అంతా ఉంటుంది. ప్రవీణ్ మాట్లాడచ్చు. ప్రవీణ్,
can I suggest something?
గౌతమ్,
my next week New Year's 2nd కదా. New Year's topic ఏదైనా చేద్దామా, లేకపోతే should we just go through normal routine?
Whatever everybody wants.
Just a thought. No, I have no opinion.
Any thoughts? Anybody volunteer to give a talk next week?
Ravi, second half వాడి ఉండిపోయింది. Let him talk in English, second part. Let him finish.
సంస్కృతంలో మాట్లాడుతా అంటున్నాడు నెక్స్ట్ వీక్. భయంగా ఉంది.
దాడి
ఆ టాక్ తెలుగులోనే అత్త. నేను తోట నాగేశ్వరరావు గారికి ఫుల్ గా సింక్ అయిపోయాను. నేనైనా టాక్ అది గ్రాంధికం రాజమండ్రి తెలుగో తెలియదు కానీ మొత్తానికి ఆయన తెలుగు వాడతా.
Trying to set up Praveen, Sidhu, you are ready to talk. Recently ichavu, but Praveen is there. Praveen, are you there?
నవీన్ ఇస్తానన్నాడు కదా.
అవును నవీన్
నవీన్ చెప్పాడు.
నవీన్ ఉన్నాడు కదా? నవీన్ ఉన్నాడు. నవీన్
ఉన్నాడు కానీ ఇదిగో నవీన్ దీనికోసం నా జీవితం.
నవీన్ నువ్వు చెప్పరా ఈసారి.
మైలో సరే మైలో గురించి చెప్పు.
నవీన్ ఎప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ ఇవ్వగలవా నువ్వు?
అవునా? కాదు ఓకే. నేను చెప్పాను కదా ఫస్ట్ వీక్ ఆఫ్ జనవరి అని. సో జనవరి 12th కాదు, ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ జనవరి 10th.
ఓకే, జనవరి 10th నవీన్ ఇస్తాడు. ఈ లోపల ప్రవీణ్, ఆర్ యు దేర్ ఆర్ నాట్? నీ హ్యాపీనెస్ సెకండ్ పార్ట్ ఇస్తావా?
సిద్ధిగాడు ఇస్తున్నాడు కదా, కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి. వాడు ఆల్రెడీ ప్రిపేర్డ్ ఆడు సిద్ధిగాడు.
ఓకే
ప్రవీణ్ అసలు ఫినిష్ అనేది ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేసి సెకండ్ పార్ట్ ఫినిష్ చేయమే. హ్యాపీనెస్ ఫుల్ గా ఉండకూడదు, సగమే ఉంటే సరిపోద్ది చాలు. ఆ లవ్ కూడా అంతే, ఫుల్ గా ఉంటే
జై బాబా.
Closing.
Let's do prayer, Gita. So Sidhu, give a talk next week. Sidhu.
Lord God.
సరే చిన్న
Second part. Okay.
తెలుగులోనే ఇస్తాను నేను. తెలుగులోనే ఇస్తా.
పాపం పిల్లలు వింటున్నారా? నేహ డెఫినెట్ గా వింటున్నారు, వాళ్ళకి అర్థం కావట్లేదు పాపం. దియా వాళ్ళు వింటారు.
ప్రవీణ్ నిజం చెప్పు.
నిజంగా
తర్వాత వాడిని తెలుగులో
కిరణ్ వాళ్ళకి కూడా కొంచెం కష్టమే, నువ్వు ఇంగ్లీష్ లో చెప్పు.
అర్థం
మీకు అర్థం అవుతుంది కదా.
Next week.
We decide later.
Next week, Siddharth. Let's say prayer.
Okay.
Baba.
Beloved God,
help us all to love you more and more and more and more, feel it more, till we become worthy of union with you. And help us all to hold fast to Baba's daman till the very end. अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय. अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय. अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय. Thank you, Baba. जय साई राम.